Hi guys, it's 29 Thambe and today I'll talk about Nawaz Sharif that he has admitted that they have violated the Lahore Agreement. So on the day of 20th of May 1999, Pakistan has carried out 5 nuclear tests after India has conducted the nuclear test in the Pokhran region. So they have carried out the nuclear test in their own territory. So they will become also a nuclear powerful nation. So but that time President Henry Clinton has offered former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif $5 million to not to conduct a nuclear test during that time, but he declined that offer and conducted a nuclear test in the region. And Hillary Clinton told him that if you will carry out the nuclear test, then we will going to impose sanction on it. But he told that I am not afraid about the sanction. We will definitely carry out the nuclear test. Then just after successfully conducted the nuclear test by in Pakistan, different parts of the country assuming that now India and Pakistan will start will open a war against them and will start will use nuclear weapon against each other. So to stop the rumor, our former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee went to the Pakistan just to sign and just to sign an agreement between India and Pakistan. So the other country will understand they will we are not going to use nuclear weapon between each other against each other. So in an Lahore agreement, both countries agreed that we'll maintain peace and stability in the region. We will try to fight against the terrorism. But after the few months of the Lahore agreement, Pakistan has violated the Lahore agreement and opened the war against the India, and they start capturing Indian post in Kargil region. So so to give an reply, Indian army has declared a war and then start forcing back from the Indian territory. And after a few months of the war, Indian government has finally won their lost post in the war. So the Nawaz Sharif, the former Prime Minister, has recalled the incident in an general meeting of his party that he has elected as a supreme leader of a party. And he remembered that in the year 1999 we have made a blunder. We opened a war against India. That was a very big setback for our country. If we do not declare a war against India, then the scenario will be totally different. There will be a $1 billion trade between both of the country, and both the country will become a prosperous in the Asian. And the and and the trade will going to improve the both the country economy. So that's all I guess for today. Thank you.